Welcome back to the 99 Bitcoins channel. In this particular video, we are exploring 7 penny cryptos which could potentially 10 to 1,000 extra money in the future. We've seen a small correction here in the crypto markets, and this is the classic 20 to 40% correction that we see for typically altcoins in the markets following a humongous pump. We've still got the Bitcoin halving on the way, so these are some coins I'm looking at buying right now, ready to potentially liquidate or sell off during the tip top of the upcoming bull run this 2024. So let's check it out together. If you're new here, thanks for subscribing, and you do want to hit your crypto goals this 2024, smash that subscribe button. So the Bitcoin halving about 36 days away. We're not far away. Lots of greed still in the market, and I think lots of kind of newbies to the market have probably been shaken out of their position already just from this volatile movement that we recently saw. So let's crack on with the very first, and by penny crypto I mean coins that cost under $1, which could potentially go to 10, 100, or even maybe $1,000 at some point in the future. So the first token is going to be Beoble, which is BBL. Now this one here is seriously interesting. It's like bridging Web 2 and Web 3 when it comes to chat solutions. So this is like the next kind of WhatsApp or the next Telegram of the crypto world, where all you need is to actually connect your wallet and then you can start chatting with people in the Web 3 world. So you don't need to give up big data. You don't need to allow other companies to monetize on your privacy and your data, such as your email address or your details or your cookies and things like this. This is simply just connect your wallet, launch the app, and you're good to go. You can get chatting right away. So this is a really cool one. Here you can of course see you have an example of what this looks like. Welcome to Beoble. You've got beoble.cat, and overall it does look pretty cool. And I think a lot of people in the Web3 world, whether it's communities or businesses, enterprise, will start using these sort of chat solutions. So right now they've got some daily tasks you can get involved with where you can collect points while chatting. But this is effectively a low market cap gem, and when we look at its exposure at the moment, it's not on Binance, it's not on Coinbase, so we could speculate big upside plays here. 21.5 million market capital, so also not a massive MC, so it's definitely got some upside potential. Now looking at the price structure of this coin, it's come down to regions of sort of 17 and 16 cents multiple times, but every time it bites back, it bounces back. So I do think it's got strong use case, strong fundamentals, and utility overall. Total supply of 1 billion BBL tokens, so it's not a massive supply either, giving it that penny stock or penny crypto vibe to it. So this is number one. It goes by the name of Beoble. Beoble is not accessible, like I say, on many exchanges just yet, but you can get it on your kind of Gate, your KuCoin, your Bybit, your MEXC. So it's a pretty good token to be looking at. Would say it's definitely there in the factor. It's not one everyone is talking about. It's a top 1,000 crypto at the moment, but we should see this climb the crypto ladder over time. This moves us into coin number 2, which is Dogecoin 20, one that we've been looking at recently. And of course, this is a penny crypto, $0.000204. This is where Dogecoin gets reinvigorated on the ERC20 network, because with this token, tokenomically there's only 140 billion tokens that exist, which gives it a very much limited supply, 25% allocated to the pre-sale here, guys. And we know meme coins are ripping left, right, and center right now. Meme coins is a solid narrative, a solid alpha right now, and definitely something people should be paying attention to. Not financial advice, you shouldn't just ape in all your money to meme coins, but we know the money is flowing there. We know the trend, as they say, is your friend, right? So tokenomics are solid, 35 billion for the pre-sale, 12 stages on this one. It's going to launch around a $10 million market capital, so definitely has that big upside potential vibe based on this. It's not doxed, it's not KYC'd, but that is very much industry standard for meme coins and ICOs. You buy it by simply connecting your wallet. I've got a link down below. Check out the coin, connect your MetaMask or Web3 wallet, and convert either Ethereum or Tether directly into your desired amount of Doge 20 tokens. Not financial advice. I'm not a prophet. I don't know, I don't have a crystal ball. I don't know what's truly going to happen, but these are coins that I perceive to have value and do hold myself. Good staking rewards, 196 per annum at the moment, and overall things are looking good. So Dogecoin 20 looking pretty solid. This takes us to coin number 3, the OG itself, Shiba Inu. Now I was just kind of thinking about Shiba Inu, and what really strikes me at the moment is I saw this article, and what happens if Shiba doesn't actually reach an all-time high? Think about it. This coin, this staple meme coin, is going to be laughing stock for the next year, 2 or 3. If Shiba Inu, which is like the barometer of the meme coin space, does not hit an all-time high, it's just going to look really bad. Like, imagine Bitcoin just not going back to all-time highs every single cycle. It's just going to be a weird thing. So new SHIB, all-time high expected by Shiba Inu team before the Bitcoin halving. Major representative of Shiba Inu team expects new all-time high for SHIB pretty soon, with a month or possibly 2. So a month or 2 or 3. We could see even Shiba Inu go to skyrocketing levels again. Also, Bone margin trading is now live on Gate.io, which is another fantastic thing. Oops, wrong one. That's Dogecoin 20. But hey, Dogecoin 20, big milestone, 4.5 million smashed already. And also I wanted to say Shiba Inu have a magazine that they're actually publishing. The 17th magazine edition is out, where they're basically putting all their updates, all their news, all their big, stay in the know things. It's kind of cool. I love how Shiba Inu marketing is just so subtle, but also effective at the same time. This takes us to coin number 4. Coin number 4 will be TG Casino, $0.5476 right now. And to be fair, when you look at the trend here, when you look at the growth of TGC over the last year, it's pretty much just solid uptrend. You can't really complain with this price action, down from 0.45 up to highs of 0.73 over the year, lows of 10 cents. And it's hard to make a bearish statement on this coin. So it's a penny stock crypto. Look, $0.4576. TGC on CoinMarketCap here. Here is the website. And just want to kind of show you a little bit about this token. You can see TGC, look, it's a dynamic player in the online gaming industry, and it's made significant impact since its inception in September 2023, quickly becoming a go-to destination for casino enthusiasts. Of course, not financial advice, do not endorse casinos in any way whatsoever. Always be responsible and treat this with a very much, mature mind. The platform stands out for its seamless integration of advanced technology and user-friendly interface. So very much so, Web3 casinos do exist, and that is effectively what TGC is. But they have massive rev share, massive buybacks, good exposure already. They're not actually on that many centralized exchanges, which gives it that big upside potential, right? So when you click here, this is the website that you do see. You've got a bunch of games and stuff like this. Overall, it looks really cool. One of the top tier Web3, like crypto, I want to say, GameFi platforms out there, and $7.47 million is the market cap right now. So 100x are figures that could be seen in the future for this particular coin, and it's been nothing short of impressive just looking back over time. So the total supply is 100 million TGC tokens. We can see at the moment self-reported circulating is 13.73, which is 13.73% of that supply. So another thing to, of course, keep into consideration, but a good contender, absolutely. This takes us to coin number, I think, 5. I'm good at losing count around here. Now, Jasmy is absolutely, I'm bullish. I think $100 billion market capital at some point in the next decade or 2 can absolutely happen for this coin. Why? This is effectively Japan's Bitcoin. 50 billion total supply, 49.3 billion in circulation. That's a thumbs up from me. So that's good stuff. 0.02231 is, you can't really go wrong with this. Now, if we just check out as well the price structure here, 0.022, I think for Jasmy, we've seen nice local tops already over the year of 0.24, but every time it crashes or corrects, it gets massive buyback pressure. And I don't think we're going to see lows of 0.0069 for Jasmy for a very, very long time. I don't think we'll see these bear market numbers for a significantly long time. Maybe not even ever again. It's really hard to say what's going to happen. But let's have a look. Jasmy is OG. It's very, very cool. Look, company profile, Jasmy Incorporated, president and COO, Kazumasa Sato. So definitely one that I'm feeling bullish on for the future in that penny stock crypto category. So keep your eyes peeled on this one. Could do very, very well in the future. Overall, coin number 6 will be green Bitcoin, everybody. This has actually just gone over $1, but it did start the pre-sale under $1, so technically for me it's still a penny crypto. $7.221 million of 7.4. This is where Bitcoin goes green on the ERC20 network. They've got 21 million total supply here, and it says green Bitcoin, the eco-friendly alternative, where it's on the proof of stake rather than proof of work like Bitcoin SV, Bitcoin, and Bitcoin Cash. This could be a massive one for the future, guys. Did you miss Bitcoin's massive rise? So that's kind of the theme here, the next green Bitcoin. $1.10 per green Bitcoin. If you want to buy this one, similar to Doge20, connect the wallet, connect the MetaMask, convert either Ethereum or Tether directly into those green Bitcoin tokens. But remember, this isn't financial advice. This is high risk, high reward territory. Please do not ape in all your liquidity because I don't know the future. And it goes for any coin. It goes for Shiba. It goes for Bioble. It would go for Bitcoin too. It would go for Ethereum too. We are not in a bear market, ladies and gents. So you've got to remember that. The pumps have already started to happen. The upside potential is, minimizing. You are holding the bag later on. You're effectively maybe becoming liquidity to the whales more, the later you wait. And that's the harsh but sheer reality of it. And you can't complain about that because if you're buying now and not in the bear market, you can only be accountable for that. Harsh reality in the crypto space. So green Bitcoin, definitely cool. Number 7, everybody, coming up in a sec. But firstly, 20k followers for green Bitcoin now. Getting tons of engagements, tons of followers, and overall just looking extremely bullish. Chromia, $0.4091. Look at this, 16%. $326 million MC here. So 40 cents. It is in that penny crypto category. Think it could do well. Here's Chromia right here. Looks pretty good. The relational blockchain platform that makes sense. Chromia is a relational blockchain platform, making it easier for people to build decentralized apps in the real world for a better world. So pretty cool stuff. Chromia for games. Overall, this is one that is on some big exchanges already. You got Binance, KuCoin, no Coinbase. 81.53% of the circulation is in circulation now, or the supply, sorry. Max supply just under 1 billion tokens. And we can see on the month here, it's bounced back from 0.36 and over the year has had some incredibly bullish momentum. So we could still see some upside potential for this coin as well, being Chromia. So that's a wrap, guys. Also want to say, make sure to get in to the Jacob Crypto Clan. Oopsie doopsie. But this is VIP content that I shouldn't be showing on screen. But yeah, get yourself in Jacob's Crypto Clan. Come hang out. We are one of the biggest, fastest crypto discords growing right now. And just, join us. It's a humble place. We've got moderators keeping you safe, whether you're expert, intermediate, advanced, beginner. Jacob's Crypto Clan Discord is down below, ready to serve you, ready to enhance your crypto journey, and just overall, let's just hang out together, let's just get to know each other and enjoy a vast community. We are so vibrant, we're so busy, everyone's loving it, and I want you to also love it too. So hopefully see you there. That's about a wrap for this video. Bye for now, and thanks for watching if you made it to the end. Remember, this is not financial advice, but there's 7 penny cryptos that could potentially do well for the future. Bye for now.